Who wrote the famous book Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Answer: Livoni Hicks. Mahatma, Life of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the biography of Gandhiji, is written by Answer: D.G. Tendulkar. The famous book Annihilation of Caste was written by Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. Ardhanarishwaran, the famous novel written by Answer: Perumal Murugan. Dreaming Big, My Journey to Connect India is the autobiography of Answer: Sam Pitroda. Who wrote the famous book A Short History of the Peasant Movement in Kerala? Answer: E.M.S. Namboodiripad. Who is the author of the book The Lives of Others? Answer: Neel Mukherjee. Name the first travelogue in Malayalam. Answer: Vartamana Pustakam. Who wrote the book A Vindication of the Rights of Women? Answer: Mary Wollstonecraft. The famous work Moksha Pradipam was written by Answer: Brahmananda Shivayogi. The Life Divine was written by Answer: Arvindo Ghosh. The author of India Today is Answer: R.P. Dutt. One Life is written by Answer: Dr. Christian Bernard. The Interpretation of Dreams is written by Answer: Sigmund Freud. Keshavante Vilapangal is written by Answer: M. Mukundan. The Joy of Numbers was written by Answer: Shakuntala Devi. Who is the author of Man, the Maker of His Own Destiny? Answer: Swami Vivekananda. Who wrote Asian Drama? Answer: Gunnar Myrdal. Gora is written by Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. The Good Earth is written by Answer: Pearl S. Buck. The Guide is written by Answer: R.K. Narayan. The Three Mistakes of My Life is a book authored by Answer: Chetan Bhagat. Worshipping False Gods is the book of Answer: Arun Shourie. The author of Casual Vacancy is Answer: J.K. Rowling. Who translated Mahatma Gandhiji's autobiography, The Story of My Experience with Truth, from Gujarati to English? Answer: Mahadev Desai. The book Ashtanga Hridaya was written by Answer: Vagbhada. Das Kapital was written by Answer: Karl Marx. Who is the author of Planned Economy for India? Answer: Visvesvaraya. The author of My Story is Answer: Madhavikutty or Kamala Das. The Time Machine is written by Answer: H.G. Wells. The novel Adu Jeevitham is written by Answer: Benjamin. Hortus Malabaricus is a book on Answer: Medical Plants. The author of the travelogue Haimavada Phuvil is Answer: M.P. Virendra Kumar. Which book is known as the Bible of Tamil land? Answer: Tirukkural. Who is the author of the book Kodungattuyarthiya Kalam? Answer: Joseph Idamarugu. The author of Satyartha Prakasha is Answer: Swami Dayananda Saraswati.